To resize a table dimension, click the table icon on the top left cell. You should see small circles at the right and bottom of the table. To adjust the width of the table, click the small circle at the right of the table, hold, and drag. To resize the table column, select the column header. To avoid activating the text editing, click the second row of the column header where the column sequence label is. Click the small circle, hold, and drag it to adjust the width of the column. Let's resize the quantity, unit price, and subtotal columns. We want to make sure that the columns are not too small for the user inputs and calculated values, such as subtotal and total. To delete a column, select the column such as the quantity column and click Delete this column button on the columns toolbar. We don't really want to delete this column. To undo the deletion, click the Undo button on the editor toolbar at the top right corner of the editor.